This review is of Simply Nature Organic Dark Chocolate Ginger Cranberry Coconut Clusters. They're gluten-free, USDA organic, non-GMO parves, so in that respect, they're safe for Jews and Muslims. And that's pretty much it. It's certified organic by ProCert, and the gluten-free certification is from Beyond Celiac. Here is the blurb. And nutrition facts: 140 calories in 4 pieces, 11 grams of fat, of which 8 are saturated because of the coconut. So this is not good for me to eat. No trans fats or cholesterol, 30 milligrams of sodium, so that's good. 10 grams of carbs, of which 4 are dietary fiber, 4 are sugars, of which 2 are added. There are also 2 grams of protein. And here are the ingredients. So aside from the cocoa butter and the coconut, let's see here. Ooh, 82% unsweetened chocolate. Okay. Not too terribly much sugar. There's cane sugar twice, brown rice syrup, agave, inulin, brown rice crisp, cinnamon. Those all have it. And then xanthan gum may give you gas. Yay. All right, well, let's give it a try. Smells nice. One of the first things I tasted was salt. So the chocolate is definitely dark. There is some bitterness to it. And I would say that it's not very sweet. I shouldn't have used the salt. Strangely enough, I like the pieces better that don't have the chocolate. It didn't really make an effort to provide a balance in the flavor. So some of them are predominantly chocolate, some of them have a lot of ginger, some of them have a lot of coconut. And also, if you like, a surprise in every bite, that'll be great. If, however, you're hoping for consistency, this is not the product for you. Also, if you're not a big fan of dark chocolate, you probably won't enjoy this. And obviously, if you don't like ginger, you won't like it either. I'll give it a 7. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.